How to fix Steam slow disk usage. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the slow disk usage problem on Steam. So for that, first of all, you need to open the app version of Steam on your PC, and you need to come to the upper left corner and click on the Steam and click on settings. After that, you have to click on the downloads options from here, and after that you have to click on the clear cache options like clear download cache. You just have to simply click on here, and when you're clicking on here, this shows that this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into your Steam again. Do you wish to continue? You have to simply just click on confirm, and after that it will automatically shut down and reopen, restart the Steam app. So you just have to click on login after that, and then you just have to again click on the Steam and settings options and click on downloads, and you have to deselect the limit downloaded speed option if it's selected like this one, and you can just change the region of download region from here. As I am near US, I'll just click on another state from here, and you just have to simply register. Click on restart now, and after it's restarted, your problem is being solved. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.